Addressing issues in the implementation of School Development Plan SDP Basics Odisha B.F. Addressing issues in the implementation of School Development Plan SDP. Introduction. The School Development Plan SDP is a statutory and strategic tool designed to promote effective planning and school improvement as mandated by the Right to Education RTE Act 2009 under Section 22. Though preparation of SDP has been institutionalized in many schools, its implementation often faces several challenges, including poor capacity, inadequate resources, and weak monitoring. Addressing these implementation issues is critical for achieving quality, equity, and inclusion in school education. 1. Capacity building and training gaps. Issue. Many SMC members and teachers lack the technical skills to execute plans, monitor progress, or use funds appropriately. Addressing it. Regular training workshops for SMCs and school heads on fund utilization, procurement, reporting, and monitoring. Develop simple, local language handbooks manuals for SDP implementation. Use peer learning and mentorship across schools for better practices. 2. Inadequate community participation. Issue. The community's role often stops at the planning stage. During implementation, they may lose interest or be unaware of their responsibilities. Addressing it. Organize monthly SMC meetings with minutes and action tracking. Create community mobilization drives with parents and local leaders. Display SDP objectives and progress on school notice boards for transparency. 3. Resource constraints. Issue. Schools often lack timely funds or sufficient financial support to implement planned activities, example, infrastructure, TLMs, co-curricular programs. Addressing it. Ensure timely release of funds under schemes like Samagra Shiksha. Mobilize local resources through panchayats, CSR, or public-private partnerships, PPP. Encourage low-cost, no-cost innovations and community contributions. 4. Lack of monitoring and supervision. Issue. There is often no structured system for tracking whether SDP activities are being carried out as planned. Addressing it. CRCCs and BRCCs must conduct quarterly visits and submit reports on progress. Introduce community-based social audits involving parents and local bodies. Use simple monitoring formats that align with UDC Plus and school report cards. 5. Poor data management. Issue. Many SDPs are not based on real-time, evidence-based data. This leads to unprioritized or unrealistic targets. Addressing it. Train school staff in collecting, analyzing, and using school-level data. Use school report cards, attendance registers, learning outcomes, and infrastructure reports for data-driven planning. Digitize SDP through portals and link with UDC Plus. 6. Political interference or misuse of funds. Issue. In some cases, funds may be misused or diverted due to external pressure or lack of financial literacy. Addressing it. Enforce strict accountability norms and annual audits. Involve external observers or civil society in monitoring. Introduce online financial tracking systems and public disclosure of expenditures. 7. Gender, inclusion, and equity gaps. Issue. SDPs often overlook the needs of girls, CWSN, children with special needs, and other disadvantaged groups. Addressing it. Ensure equity audit during planning and implementation phases. Include barrier-free infrastructure, gender-sensitive toilets, and inclusive pedagogy in execution. Collaborate with special educators, NGOs, and health departments. 8. Lack of convergence with other departments. Issue. STPs often fail due to a lack of coordination with other departments like health, PWD, Panchayati Raj, etc. Addressing it. Build interdepartmental linkages for infrastructure, health checkups, nutrition, etc. Use block and district education committees to facilitate convergence. Invite line department representatives during school level meetings. 9. Minimal use of technology. Issue. Technology tools for tracking, reporting, and feedback are underused. Addressing it. Use mobile apps or Google Forms for feedback collection from stakeholders. Encourage digital dashboards for tracking STP progress. Provide basic ICT training to teachers and headmasters. Conclusion. Effective implementation of the School Development Plan (SDP) is essential for systematic school improvement, yet it is often hindered by various operational, financial, and social challenges. Addressing these issues requires a multi-pronged approach, strengthening capacity, ensuring participation, improving monitoring, mobilizing resources, and enabling convergence. When implemented well, the SDP becomes not just a plan but a living document that transforms the school into an inclusive, effective, and engaging learning space for all.